We're here in Denver, Colorado to visit one of our longtime customers, Painter's Grinding. They've been in business for, I believe, 40 plus years, so we're gonna open up this door and see what they're all about. Come on, Eddie.
Good to see you, man.
Nice to meet you. Good.
Glad you made it out.
All right, Eddie, you gonna tell us what you guys do here and a little bit of background on Painter's?
Absolutely. Painter's Grinding was started in 1977 by Dayton Painter when he started grinding cranks, freelancing, doing nothing but Volkswagen work, lifter repair, rod reconditioning, cylinder head stuff out of a little shop behind his friend's shop. So then he moved into a shop down here on Custer Street, moved in here in 1984, and the business boomed from there on out. Became a lifelong experience for him. Got into off-road racing, drag racing. Pretty smart guy. Of course, Dayton, we lost him in 2021, so as far as that's concerned, the shop's been doing very well. We do a lot of repair work, transmission, engine building, machine work, all strictly on air-cooled Volkswagens.
I'm here with the ladies of Painter's Grinding.
Yes.
Can you guys tell us about how you guys started and Dad made you work since you were kids?
Yes,
and everything else?
definitely can. I've been working down here since I was basically 13 years old. Every summer, we had to learn how to build our own motors if we wanted to drive at the age of 16. I've been racing since I was 15. Got really big into off-road racing about 22 years ago.
Wow.
We've off-road race out in California. We've won a couple of races out there. We like to do the Moore Series.
Mom Painter?
Oh,
Yeah.
The head lady.
You still come to work every day?
Not every day.
Just on Saturdays?
Yeah. I come
does
in
payroll
when
on Monday.
Yeah, Monday's payday and
There you go. You got to get paid.
donut day and donut
There you go.
So no.
I'm Shannon. I started again when we started about 12, 13, and coming in, we were on the glass feeder. We started out there, then the parts washer, and then we moved up to doing heads and building engines and taking care of the books and whatnot. So yeah.
Did you race at all or anything?
Well, I did
You
off road,
did? Okay, so you're off-road. What class were you racing?
class 5.
Class 5?
Yeah.
And did you race
And
too?
I did.
Yeah.
I did high school drags. I did a lot of drag
You did some drag
racing.
racing, huh?
Yeah. And I mean off-road racing with Cindy and my dad down in Baja. And same thing. I started working about age 13. I reconditioned rods and did the glass beater, lots of parts washing, tearing down motors, got very dirty.
Yep.
But yeah, and we're still running the shop and we're going to keep it going as long as we can.
Absolutely.
So,
All right, Eddie, ready to show us around?
Yeah, we're gonna show you around where he started off at. Come on in.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Right here is our Storm Vulcan crank grinder. This is a machine that Dayton started off with in 1977. Still being used today. It's had its heyday. It's been through a lot of hell, but it still works and does every crank that goes through the shop. And right here, we have our cylinder head resurfacing machine. We do all the head work. Opening up for bore, step cutting, hemi cut, opening up for larger cylinder compression, everything you need to do on this machine for the cylinder heads.
Hi, I'm Ross. I do most of the machine work here at Painter's Grinding. Actually, we've got a case up here. I'm going to show you guys how we deck a magnesium case.
Alright, this machine is our lifter grinder. Every lifter gets resurfaced on this machine and polished. Tighten the chuck up, put this machine back on here. After you get the lifter cut, ground, make sure that the radius is proper, then you polish it. Take the lifter out of the chuck. There's our finished product.
I'm here with Keith, the lead
Yeah.
mechanic at Painter's Grinding.
Yeah.
You guys do quite a few things here. You guys do tune-ups, engine builds, full
Engine builds,
restorations.
transmissions, brakes, anything mechanical we can take care of in-house. I mean, this is
Wiring
what we
too?
do. Wiring, yeah, but we try to save that for winter because it does take a long.
Yeah.
Takes too much shop time, and I schedule 3 cars a day because there's always something left over the next day, and I've been doing it so long that I know what time it takes to do the jobs. But you know, always you find more stuff wrong with these cars because they're old. You know.
So what are you working on here? Looks like you got a late model bus in here.
That's yeah. Yeah, it's got a 1600 in it, having some runnability issues. We're gonna get that taken care of.
He's the man. If you need help in Colorado,
You got it.
Come see Keith.
Yep.
Nice scooter here. Single cab. Anybody seen Eddie? Oh, there's Eddie.
He's in there.
What are you working on, Eddie?
I'm actually about to assemble this bottom end of this transmission here. And we are rebuilding a transmission from start to finish, and this is going to be the bottom end of this thing here. This is for a split window van, and this is going to go together just like this. After that, main shed bearing goes in. There it is.
I'm over here with Mom. So what's your role here at Painters?
I show up.
That's it?
Okay, thank you guys at EMPI for coming in here. We appreciate it very much. Thank you for patronizing Painters Grinding. Been in here for a long time. If you need your Volkswagen service, transmission work, engine building, machine work, please come on down. Denver metro area.
And you could reach us at 303-722-5537 or visit our website at paintersgrinding.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Just look up Painters Grinding and you'll find us there.